Hi folks, how you doing? These are my old LNER coaches. I got these way back in the day when I got my Flying Scotsman, and I've always hated them because they've got no interiors and very little detail. I mean, this really was Hornby at its cheapest. So I've been on eBay and I got myself a rake of 3 teak coaches, 2 composites and a brake, of course. And I've been wanting these for a while because these have got the interiors and just a lot more detail. They look so much better. So these are going to get retired, and I'm going to do a couple of things to these. This one in particular is bobbing up and down a little bit. The wheels are absolutely filthy, and I'm sure if I cleaned the wheels it would fix that, but I'm actually going to go one better. I'm going to take the wheels off these coaches because these have got the nice metal tyres and these are just plastic. So I'm going to swap the wheels over, and they're nice and closely coupled when they're being pushed, but when you pull them it's not so much a gap, but it still does this, which I don't like. So I'm going to fix it so it doesn't do that. Righto, let's go and do that. Okay, so the general condition of these coaches is really good. Could maybe do with a wee bit of a clean, but they're generally good. Let's get these horrible, nasty, plasticky wheels out. They should just pop out nice and easy, like so. They are absolutely filthy, and very worn. These have been very well run coaches, so I think this is well worth doing, getting these old wheels out. There we go, all 4 wheels out, and we shall take the wheels out of the old coaches. Just let you see the difference in the wheels there. So that's the ones out of the new teaks, and you probably can't see how dirty and worn they are, and that's the ones off my existing coaches. So these are much better. God, I hope they fit. I never thought to check that these would actually fit. Oh please fit. I'll be really peed off if they don't. I'm going to have to get new wheels because, come on, these should fit. They must fit. I have to bend the side of the bogies a bit just to get them to go in. Phew. Bit of a squeeze to get them in, but once they're in, they seem fine. Right, okay, next one. Okay, 4 wheels on. How does that run? Yeah, that's much better. Okay, we will do the others. Right then, that's my coaches all re-wheeled and moving very nicely, but I want to fix this. I mean, these are nice, close coupled, but they still do that. If you've watched my video where I closer couple my old LMS coaches, you'll have an idea of what I'm going to do here. Basically, all I'm going to do is on the centre coach of the rake, cut the little hook off and put a bit of an S-bend in the coupling arm just to bring it tight, so it doesn't do this. So it's a fairly simple process. I only need to do it to this one coach. So I need my multi-tool. Okay, I'm just going to hold this with pliers because it gets hot. Headphone warning. So all I've done is I've just ground off the wee hooky bit, and all I need to do now is put a bit of a bend in these, and these aren't riveted on, so I need to be careful with these ones actually, because these could break. And I just need to give that a clip, and there we go. That's a lot better. So all I've done is just bent the hook. It really just reduces its length, so it keeps the coupling butted up. Need a tiny little bit of play, but I just prefer it. I hate that movement between the coaches. But as I say, it may interfere with coupling and uncoupling, but I always do that manually anyway. Bend it right down one way and then bend it back. Just a wee bit more. There we go, that'll do. Now there we are, job done. Okay, let's go and put these on the layout and see what they look like going down the track. So there's only one locomotive you can use to test these, of course, the old Flying Scotsman, which been having a bit of trouble with it, but it's going again. It needs constant maintenance, that thing. Right, okay, let's go. So that's my new LNER coaches. What's next? See you later, folks.